guys, it's us here coming at you from Opal, Kaylin, and Sammy. And we just wanted to talk to you guys about social media and posting on Instagram or Facebook. We have a couple backdrops at our salon that we like to use. Let me show you guys one. We have a white one right there. And on this side, we have a textured one, which is, I painted that one like gold, metallic gold with like a white Venetian plaster over it because I thought it'd be like cool to have something textured. But I think that we really like the white background. It keeps like our social media looking like super clean, especially like if you go to like opal.hair on Instagram or just Opal on Facebook, it makes our feed look really like clean and
showcases the hair better. Yeah.
So we just wanted to go over the apps that we use to get that, and we use FACETUNE. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. We like FACETUNE 1, we like a lot, and FACETUNE 2 is really good for like backdropping. If, for example, like your backdrop couldn't cover the whole thing, and like say somebody was walking by in your photo, or like
for a little bit of the wall in the background that you don't want there, which is good for white because they have a white one that matches any white background.
Yeah. So between the two apps, you can like get out any background that you don't want and like really make that background white and smooth out the skin, detail the eyes, whiten teeth. You know, because everybody wants their face smooth.
Wants to look good.
Yeah.
Especially in pictures that are going out to be seen by a ton of people.
I mean, most of the time we don't get face in the hair photos, but like sometimes, like if the client opts to have their face in it, we
they have a pimple or something that they don't want anyone to see, we just get in there and smooth it out a little bit. They appreciate it.
Yeah. So we're gonna show you how we use the apps and how we get our perfect white photos.
Alright, so this is FACETUNE 1. This is a picture we were working on earlier. I'm going to go into my camera roll, open photo. Let's do this one. I don't know, is that a good? Yeah, okay. So we're going to start with tones. We're going to go to our palette. We're going to bring it all the way over to the white. We're going to take our little paintbrush, and I'm only going to go around the perimeter of her head right now, and this is, we're doing this because we're also going to go in with our border on our other app and go over the rest of the white, but we're doing this around the head right now to keep our little baby hairs and our little natural strays in there.
Because as you can see, like all those little baby hairs, that helps just keep the photo a little bit more natural.
And if we just went in with the border on the other app, they would all just disappear, and she would look like a floating head. All right, so that's good. Actually, some of my baby hairs got disappeared over here. I'm gonna erase that a little bit. There we go. Okay, check mark on that. And then I'm gonna go over to my smoothing tool over here. Just smooth out her forehead a little bit, nothing crazy.
Clients appreciate it if you just smooth out their skin.
You know, everyone wants to look flawless. Alright, so that's good. Nothing crazy again. And then I'm going to go to details, and sometimes we like to do this too. I'm going to detail her eyebrows a little bit, make them pop, make her eyes pop.
Yeah, details work really good for eyes. And I think like if my client's wearing like a necklace or something, or like a medallion, I usually like to like detail a little bit of like
make it pop a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna save that into my camera roll, and now I am going to go to my FACETUNE 2.
Which with that background in particular, like she could have just whitened the whole thing in tones, but like sometimes like we have like we showed you guys here, we have a red wall in the back.
Yeah, so I'll show you guys the before and after of this one. So this is all white right now, but earlier it was this. So we got rid of all of that.
Yep. With the background app.
And turned it into this. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna take my backdrop right here, and this little tool will literally take whiten over anything. So you can use it on a white background to make it white, or you can, like I was saying before, use it on negative space if you have a wall in the background that's not white or something, and you want to get rid of it. This is what we do. You just take the little rolly thing up here with your white backdrop. You're gonna go in. Just get rid of all of that.
So if you had the doorway or somebody walking by, or the door jamb or a light switch or something in your way that you really couldn't get out, the backdrop is nice because it literally goes over and cancels out anything. Whereas in FACETUNE 1, the tones, it just will go, it'll tone whatever's there. So if there was a door jamb there, it'll just whiten the door jamb.
So there we go.
Perfect. Insta worthy.
If you guys have enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe. And if you would like to see more, you guys can follow us on social media, opal.hair or Pearl by Opal.